In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Jira workflow. This process is essential for managing and sharing your project's workflows efficiently. Whether you're transitioning to a new system, backing up your current project setup, or collaborating with team members, knowing how to export workflows will be incredibly beneficial. We'll walk through each step carefully, so even if you're new to using Jira, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Your Work section on Jira. This is where all your essential tasks and projects are centralized, making it a great starting point in Jira. From your main dashboard, locate and click on the Your Work tab. This section is designed to give you quick access to the tasks and projects you're involved with, ensuring you see the most relevant and recent activity as soon as you log in. Once you're in the Your Work section, the next step is to select an issue. Issues in Jira can be anything from tasks, bugs, or any project-related items you or your team are working on. Selecting an issue will give you more detailed information about it, providing insights into its progress and current state, which is crucial for understanding where the workflow stands and what actions may be needed next. With your issue selected, it's time to navigate to the Issues tab. You can find this tab in the main navigation menu, which spans across the top of your Jira dashboard. Clicking this tab will take you to a comprehensive list of all the issues tied to your projects. This view is invaluable for analyzing work allocation, prioritizing tasks, and ensuring your team stays on track. After entering the Issues view, you'll need to click on Open to access the selected issue's detailed view. By doing this, you get a closer look at the specific elements of the issue, including its description, status, and current assignee. This detailed view is a great way to verify that you're working on the right issue and to gather any additional information needed before proceeding with the workflow export. Now that you're inside the open issue, seek out and click on the View Workflow option. This action will display the current workflow associated with the issue. Workflows in Jira define the process your issues go through from creation to completion. Having the ability to view these workflows is essential in managing task statuses effectively, ensuring all the necessary steps are followed on the path to completion. The next move is to click on Edit Workflow. It's important to note that you'll need the appropriate permissions to make any changes here. The Edit Workflow option allows you to customize the workflow based on your team's unique needs. Even if you're not changing anything, having a peek into the edit mode provides clarity on the structure and components of the current workflow. Once inside the workflow editor, find and click on Export. This step is pivotal, as exporting lets you save your workflow externally, ensuring you have a copy that can be reused or referenced as needed. Whether you're creating a standardized process for future projects or sharing with a colleague, exporting your workflow is the step that puts it all together. Jira offers multiple export options, and you'll want to choose as XML. This format is widely used for data interchange, making it easy to import the workflow into other projects, systems, or software that support XML. Using XML also ensures that the workflow retains its structure and can be viewed or edited in any XML editor if required later. Finally, consider the As Workflow option. This choice permits you to export the workflow in a format that's highly compatible with other Jira projects. It's particularly useful when you need the workflow to be re-imported into Jira or shared with another team who uses the same platform. Either way, exporting as a workflow ensures you maintain it in its native environment, allowing for smoother transitions and integrations. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Jira workflow. Remember, exporting workflows is a powerful tool for maintaining continuity and enhancing collaboration across projects. By following these steps, you ensure your project's processes are preserved and ready for future use, helping you and your team work smarter and more efficiently. As you become more familiar with these steps, you'll find them invaluable in keeping your project management well organized and adaptable. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Until next time, happy project managing.